Welcome back. Another fortnight has passed, which means we have a new rotation of free assets on the Fab Marketplace. So as always, to get these assets, you need to either surf to fab.com or you can go to the Epic launcher, like I have right here. You go to the Fab section and then you go to limited time free. From here we can see that these are the three assets that we have free this time around. So we have a Bodycam Backroom VHS effect, we have a deep water station, and we have modern bridges. To get these assets, all you need to do is go in and choose a license. So short version is that you pick the professional one. It will cover you regardless of what kind of a size of the team you're working with and what kind of an income you have for your projects. And then you just purchase it within this time, which is going to be until the next rotation happens, which is 14 days from now. You can see the date and time of when it will expire. As long as you get the assets within this time frame, you will be able to use them for all your future projects whenever you do them in the future, with no limitations. But if you miss this window, you won't be able to get these assets for free anymore. So then you'll have to purchase them for their normal price. So now that we know which kind of assets that we're getting outside in the launcher, let's take them inside of the engine and see what they look like in there. So first out we have the Bodycam Backroom VHS effect by Kaizen Digital Interactive. This pack is in essence just a few materials that give you a post-process effect that sells it off as sort of like a VHS effect. It has a small few additional things, but really nothing of value. To show you off how this looks is you can see that we have some text on the screen to simulate a sort of camera. And by moving the camera inside of these areas, we can see that it gives you a few different effects. So here we have a sharpen effect. Here we have a camera hole body cam effect. Here we have one that's referred to as being used in the showcase map. This is the overview map that shows all of the different materials, by the way. So here we have a fisheye material. Here we have some TV noise. Over here we have some noise color, with noise, fisheye, emboss, and chromatic aberration. So all in all, very few amounts of materials that you actually get inside of here. Several of them very similar to each other. Many of them almost identical because they're using similar textures and stuff like that, which of course you could just change up and make your own version of and stuff like that. So customizability is available in that aspect, but all in all, this is just a few different materials that you can use to make sort of a camera effect. The whole backroom thing and stuff like that, it's, I don't know, theming, I suppose, not really relevant in any way, shape or form, in my opinion. So all in all, that's essentially what you get inside of this pack. Next up, we have Modern Bridges by Entrables. So this is the overview map where we can see the different bridges. So we can see that there are a few different designs for bridges here. Some of them more complex than others, but overall like semi-contemporary, although a little bit aged bridges. And yeah, these 10 bridges, that is all that you get inside of here. So if you have a need for bridges, maybe this is something that's useful. Overall, it's a very niche, small-sized asset. There's nothing beyond this inside of this one. So yeah. Last out, we have the Deep Water Station by Kirilo Sibiriakov. I am so sorry if I butchered that name. But yeah, what we have here is a very atmospheric little map. We can see that if we just go back, we sort of get the feeling that we are very deep under the sea. The visibility is very low. We have some very sparse environments with yet a lot of small organism-like visual effects going on. So as far as presentation goes, this is pretty nice because this really sells the whole visual of the pack itself. But it's difficult from this map to see what kind of content we're actually getting. So this is the overview map. So here we can see actually all of the different modular parts that you have what the level, the example level was created by, and what you actually make use of to create your own different underwater bases. And from this we can see that the amount of meshes for this is quite small as well in selection. So there's not a lot, but again, you can probably make a fairly large underwater station with it, because it would probably be reusing a lot of similar parts for all the different parts that connect it. So maybe this will make do, I'm not entirely sure. But anyway, yeah, that's what we're going to get this time around. There won't be any plugins or blueprints or visual effects or anything like that. And sorry, that was my phone, not your phone. Yeah, let me know what you think about this selection of assets we got this time around. Personally, I feel this was a bit of a letdown. The only thing that I feel was nice in this time around was the level for the deepwater station. It looked very atmospheric. But other than that, the packs were small, they were niche, they were probably not something I'm going to get any use of at all. And I don't know, it felt very lackluster in my opinion. But hey, maybe some of these assets will be very useful for you. If so, make sure to pick them up before they go back on full price again. As always, keep on learning. Take care. A big thank you to all of you who like, comment, subscribe and share my videos, or through other means support this channel. You are what makes this channel grow and become a resource for other people to learn from.